Hi friends, welcome to another Tasty Tuesday video. It is going to be a cozy one, and I'm sorry that I am doing this video in my my bedroom. It's because it's so noisy out there. Don't want to add all that mumbo jumbo in there for you, so I'm trying to keep it quick and easy for you guys. But what's really cool is that in this video, when I do my cozy meal video, it's actually going to be no talking. There'll be no talking, no voiceover, just relaxing music, and I will be putting on the bottom left hand corner of the screen will have the directions as I go. So I hope you enjoy it this way. I thought something cozy and relaxing for a cozy and a relaxing meal. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and thank you again to my friend Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy for doing another cozy recipe video with me today. And stay tuned because I think next week we might be doing some fun leftover meal ideas. So let's get right to cooking. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you again to Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy for doing this collaboration with me. I'm looking forward to our future videos as well. And if you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends. And head over to Rachel's channel when you're done watching this if you have not seen her video yet. And subscribe to her, like her video, and of course share, because we love when that happens. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys again next time. Thanks for watching guys.